Crude oil achieved the target which we were aspiring here for long, and precisely achieving the target we have seen a reversal. That is what the power of level C 92.4, 92.5 levels. I had told several time here again in my analysis, and we have been discussing this since long, that 92.5 is what crude oil is aspiring to achieve, and it's a great resistance. It has precisely achieved the level and reversed. At the same time, net gas again has seen $3 levels, 3.02 levels, and erase the gains here. So now what to expect today from oil and gas, which position you should take in order to profit. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Your every like, comment and share is a great support, great inspiration, motivation for me to deliver twice a day analysis. This is the first update for the day. Second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well, and just press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Yes, your every like, share, subscribe and comment is a great support. So do subscribe, do share, like, comment. Let's start. First we look into crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the See, crude achieved 92.4, 92.5 levels. Watch the weekly review for oil, what we have discussed there, whether these levels are not or there or not, whether we have discussed the reversal from those levels or not. Precisely that has happened. Crude achieved 92.4, 92.5 levels and has reversed. Now it is trying to find support here at 89, 89.2. We know that this is a very, very good support here. So what we can expect, it can try to create a base somewhere here at around 88.5, 88.6 and trade within this box with higher highs and flat bottom. That is one probability. At the same time, one must note that after a long time, the hourly charts have also seen a crossover here on the moving average. So this is a bearish sign. On the upside, prices are divergent here. So a possible conversion towards 90.6 at max. But remember, 90.6, 91 zone is going to remain a tough zone to crack for oil for now. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. It has seen a sharp slump here. RSI is at bottom. So on the hourly charts, a little recovery cannot be denied. However, look at the 2-hour chart. See, on the 2-hour charts, drop, consolidation, drop. So it is trying to stay bearish. It has erased most of the gains. Now, what will be a probability is a flat bottom somewhere here and here. That is at around 88 or 88.6 and a higher high. So this can be an expanding triangle in which oil might try to stay. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent, extremely bearish. It can possibly show a little conversion here. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, straight red candle, straight bearishness. After a long time, crude has shown a little bearishness. You can see it was staying in this bullish channel. It has breached the channel. And if you look at, see, this was the breakout zone, after which the momentum has increased in oil, and these levels are going to, so see, first at 89 levels here, 89, 88.6, very strong support, 89.2, 88.6, then 88, then 87.6, and then 87. So these are greatest. See, 87.6, which was the breakout level, is going to be the next important milestone for oil out there. Stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, looking downwards. RSI looking downwards here, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, one bearish candle, one step, one bearish candle, one step. So yes, it is still trying to stay bearish. At the same time, one must note lower highs, lower lows. So even if it tries to stay, try to reverse, 90.6, 91 are the levels which it should not break. Only above 91 is where we should treat this for a reversal. Else, it is going to stay bearish for a while, because see, the bearishness in oil is seen after long here. It has been trading in the bullish zone. It has been trading extremely bullish for long, and it is trying to erase some of the gains. So it is okay. So to erase some of the gains, what it has incurred throughout last few sessions. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish, looking downwards here. RSI is also dropped strongly, now at a comfortable zone. Coming to the day. Now see, on the daily charts, you can still find, see this, it is still within the zone. Hence, once you see it staying above 89.2 levels, yes, you can stay short for 88.6, and then in fact further drop might take it to, remember, if it is yielded first red candle, it may yield a second red candle, taking it till towards 87, 87.6 zone. The probability is very high, and hence once you see it staying below 89.2, you can sell. Be careful for 89.6, 88.6, 88.4 zone, then 87.6 levels. These levels are achievable and these are going to remain a very good support. Yes, prices were too much divergent from 20 period moving average. We can see it converging for 20, and even it can try to converge for 50 period moving average as well. Hence, you have to stay cautious alert with the oil's bullish move as of now. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge, trying to crossover for sell. You can see this wave here, and this wave, if it crosses over, it can lead to slight bearishness. We can already see oil third attempt to break past the zone, and hence there could be slight bearishness from here. RSI was overbought and it is trying to cool down. So thus looking at this, you can sell today at 89.2 and buy at 90. If you are buying at 90, you are still at slight risk as long as 90.6 and 91 is respected. As long as 91 is not breached, you can say that you, if you are taking an entry, it is a riskier proposition. You have to put your stop losses at your entry price such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes without any loss. And as I expect that the reversal might be there here, it can continue with the down move for a little while, and hence you have to trade with caution on the upside. On the downside probability, if it stays below 89.2, more chances will there that it can go towards 88.6 and 87.6 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start with the gas. Gas on the hourly chart, see it is scaled towards 3.02, and then today it has given a gap down. At the same time, see double bottom and support levels at 2.8, 2.9, 2.88, 2.9. Very, very strong. It has achieved the levels here, trying to break out. Now, once again, 2.94 is the level beyond which you can initiate a buying entry and then wait for 2.96, 2.98 zone to be breached. This time we may see it hitting 3.05 and 3.1 levels as well. Yes, these levels are achievable, but right now it is trying to stay bearish and trying to consolidate. Hence, above 9.04 or 2.94 levels, you can buy. Also, you must note double bottom here. It is trading in this bullish channel. It has seen the bottom, trying to reverse. It can achieve or scale higher highs here. If you look at a stochastic, this is rising. MACD is extremely bearish. It can possibly converge and continue on the upside. RSI is also looking upwards, coming to 2 hour. Similar observation on the 2 hour charts. Higher lows trying to reverse. The next candle is going to be critical. We may see it filling the gap at least towards 2.98 and $3 levels here. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over and it is trading bearish here. This is something which can lead to further bearish candles here, but then crossover should, that is should be taken up seriously, which can lead to another wave here. RSI rising, coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, double bottom here. See, higher lows, higher highs. So a reversal here is going to be crucial. A move beyond 2.9496 zone is going to remain important. We can see it again staying above $3 levels very, very soon. Stochastic looking down. MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. It has just converged. It has not yet crossed over. RSI looking down, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour chart, see one strong bullish candle, 3 candles it took to erase the gains here, and that too it has found the bottom from where the rally or consolidation level was seen here. So right now with that at the bottom, it is trying to reverse. Now even if see, it should be treated bullish only if it stays above 3.02, that is clear. But right now after the drop, it is trying to retrace. Possibly it could retrace towards 2.9698 zone, and then even if it is bearish, it can reverse again. So but what I sense here is double bottom at 2.8, and it is trying to stay in this bullish channel, and hence as long as 2.88 is respected, we are not going to treat net gas as bearish for the day. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is willing to cross over for sell. RSI is at comfortable levels. Coming to the daily, now see the daily candle has just started. Previous was an indecision candle. Here it is almost culminated in a doji, and now if it forms a double bottom here at around 2.88, do not see only sell entries below 2.88. We can possibly see a reversal from around those levels, and then it can see why there was a pullback. Also must be noted that it was staying outside Bollinger Bands. There is a pressure, tremendous pressure from the Bollinger Bands coming in. So today what could happen, it can again try to march or continue its upward journey. So beyond 2.94, we have to wait for it to patiently break beyond $3 levels, which is going to be a critical resistance, and then we may see hitting this time 3.05 levels, which is the next stronger resistance here. So yes, these levels are achievable as long as 2.88 on the downside is respected, and 2.85, these are two very strong. See, 2.85, it breaks past by, you can see 2.8 coming in again. So yes, a sell below 2.88 can be taken, a buy above 2.94 can be taken for this uh, spread. Do not trade net gas, that is between 2.88 to 2.94 levels. Above 2.94, we have to wait for it to break past $3 levels. As long as 3 is not breached, the resistance will be tremendous, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss on the, or you have to put a stop loss at your entry price. So safeguard your capital first. On the downside, you can sell here at 2.88, but 2.8586 is the first level it needs to breach, and then 2.8 is the strongest. See, I have always told, and we are maintaining the same, as long as 2.76, 2.8 levels are respected, do not treat gas as bearish. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.